Bicycle rearview mirror feature an expanding wedge to securely fit any drop bar or flat style handlebar end. Hassle-free tool-free installation. Simply insert the expanding plug into the handlebar end. Tighten the thumb screw and adjust the mirror to desired view position. Has fully adjustable ball and socket lens design, allows you to securely pivot the rearview bike mirror to optimum view angle and adjust the mirror to desired view position. Ideal for mountain bikes, road bikes, cruiser bikes, electric bikes, and electric scooters. Molded thermoplastic construction with expanding bar end mount ensures your handlebar mirror remains secure while cycling for a clear and steady view. Safety matters. Stop looking over your shoulder and stay focused on the road ahead. The mirrors stay in place and won't jostle loose.